The first part of your PTE examination after you give your personal introduction, it is the speaking module, and in that the first and the foremost one is PTE Read Aloud, the section which has the highest scores. And today in the class we are going to learn what are the do's and don'ts of this PTE Read Aloud. So the first thing is clarity is very important rather than the speed. So don't just rush. After the recent PTE changes, the speed is not important. So speak at a moderate pace so that every word what you say is very, very clear. The second thing, students get too excited and they just try to fast up their breathing. It is not good. Stay clear, stay calm with your speech. If you are clear and calm, there is a high score. If your reading is fast and the speech is unclear, you get a low score. The second most important point is speak in a natural flow. Don't just read word by word like a robot. Don't just sound mechanical. See that it is a person who is speaking the read aloud text. Don't sound mechanical, sound like a person. What you have to do next? Do not stop suddenly or don't get panicked if something is going wrong. Read like you are explaining something, the most important one. Read as if you are explaining something to the listener. Then, flow and confidence gives better pronunciation and fluency scores. Whatever you are speaking comes under three categories. It is the content, it is the pronunciation, and it is the fluency. So if your flow and confidence is good, confidence comes when you're calm, when you're clear, when you're pacing properly, then it leads to pronunciation and fluency. The next step is use natural pauses. Because you have to sound like a person, see that there are little pauses at few areas. Commas, full stops, connectors, simple words like and, but, however, therefore. These words are sure to appear in your text. So see that there is a small pause for that. The pronunciation is important. Fluency, as we just discussed. And finally, the breath control. Don't raise your high breath as if you have come from a running playground. The next one is don't correct yourself. If you make a mistake, let it go. Do not stop. Do not repeat. Keep going. PTE checks your overall speech, not at all the perfection. Hope all the students who are following the sessions are clearly making the notes of it and confidently going to execute this. The fifth one is start strong and finish strong. The first 3 or 4 seconds are very, very important. Speak clearly from the first word. Do not fade your voice at the end. You start very excitedly, but when it comes to the end, you just eat your words. Your tone is so low or you are too fast. You can pause the video, take a text and just read and try to check yourself. You will 200% do the same errors. So please don't fade your voice at the end. Every word need to be read out very clearly and very calmly. Next, don't just whisper. And the other problem is PTA does not want your high volume. So don't shout. Speak in your normal confident voice. Keep the mic distance consistent. Avoid low volume or sudden loudness. Be very, very careful. How does this come? When you are careful about what you are reading, you are understanding, your mind is calculating you. We as the teachers can only guide you. We are not in front of you. And while you are doing your examination or your preparation, we are not with you. It is you who is going to lead. In your examinations, you have 6 or 7 read aloud texts. If you have messed up with one, see that you are balancing and outshining yourself for the following ones. So, don't avoid the low volume nor speak with sudden loudness. All okay so far. Let's see what point number 7 has to educate us on. Use preparation time very smartly. During the preparation time, scan the text first. Identify the difficult words. Difficult words are the words where you are having a difficulty to read it out, to pronounce it. It can be any word. So scan that first. Keep it in your mind. Read it 2 or 3 times in this preparation time. Focus on long sentences, how to chunk it properly. Decide where to pause, where are the commas, where the full stop, where the connectors are. And finally, do not memorize. Don't sound like a robot. The eighth precaution says pronunciation over accent. Majority of the students, especially because we are non-native speakers and because there is a mother tongue influence, we generally focus to learn the accent some or the other way. Students, accent is not at all important. Spell the word properly. Pronounce the word properly. That's all. Accent does not matter. Clear pronunciation does. British, Indian, neutral accent, all are fine. I repeat, Indian accent is also very, very fine. Okay, let's focus what the ninth point has to say. Perfect pace to follow. What is that? Calm, easy, composed, and confident. Let's repeat along with me. It's calm, easy, composed, and confident. This single approach, the last 10th one, is the best approach that has helped many students to get their 90 in Read Aloud. This is all what you have to do. The final golden rule is don't read fast, read clearly. That's it. Love you all. We'll come up with another session. Until then, focus yourself, immerse yourself in beautiful preparations. Happy learning.